Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to someone in your Facebook ad account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to type in Meta Business Manager in your browser. Go into this one, login and access the Business Suite and Business Manager. Press on it or click on it, and you have to go in the left hand side. You have this All Tools button. Press on it. Then the way I do it, I go first in Ads Manager, so it's under Advertise. You have Ads and then Ads Manager. Press on Ads Manager. Now you have in the left hand side again these three lines, All Tools. Press on All Tools. Go in Business Settings. You can find it here in your shortcuts, or else you have under Manage Business, you have different sections. So you have Apps, Billing and Payments, Brand Safety, Business Settings. Press on Business Settings. You can do it from here again, or you can do it from here if you have it in your shortcuts. It doesn't really matter, it's the same thing. And you'll be prompted over here. Now find under Accounts, Add Accounts. Click on it, and now you have the option to assign people or assign partners. What you want is to make sure you're pressing on this one, Assign Partners. And then you'll press on Business ID. You have to paste in the business ID of your partner. The business ID you can find, or they will give it to you, but it's similar to this one over here, which is your own. You can see here, Business ID equals. So this number over here is your business ID, and you will receive something similar from your partner. So just paste it over here. And then what I recommend is just give them full control so they can properly manage your ads. Press next, and that's it. This is how you give access to a Facebook ad account. Just one more thing, which is very important, and I thought I will add it here in the video. So press on this Assign People and make sure all the time that you have access to your own ad account. So you most probably will have here your own name. Take this on and give yourself full control and press Assign. So now you make sure you also have access to your own ad account, meaning you can manage it from the Ads Manager over here. So you can create campaigns, you can create ad sets, ads, and all that. That's it. This is how you actually give access to a Facebook ad account. So again, process is pretty straightforward. Now please like the video if you found it helpful, comment something in the comment section down below, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.